Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Ariful Islamic School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School Morning Shift. Today, I am going to conduct an English class for class junior honor students. Our today's topic, the radiant way, page 13 and 14 discussions. So, my dear students, open your The Radiant Way first step, this book, and go to page number 13 and 14. So we will read today page number 13 and 14. So let's see our today's class. Class Junior 1, subject English, topic The Radiant Way, page 13 and 14 discussion. Lecture 22, no SW today. Term of yearly, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So let's see, my dear students, our today's topic. So this is the page of your book, okay, page number 13, bring C, okay. So I have photocopied the book. Let's read. The words are not clear. So come, mother, okay. So bring C, the name of the poem. You know, from this book, no poem will come. We will learn only the word meaning, similar words, synonyms, and fill in the blanks, question answer. So come, mother, come. Pet has a cod. Cod means sea fish, a big sea fish. This is called cod. This is cod. Okay, cod is sea fish. And ran for mother. See, mother, pet has a cod. See, mother, pet has a cod. Bring, I'm sorry for the printing. Bring the pot and let's read from this book. Come, mother, come. Pet has a cod. This is very important. Who has a cod? Pet has a cod. And ran for mother. See, mother, pet has a cod. Cod means sea fish. Bring the pot and for the cod. Thank you. And for the pot. Bring the cod, pet, to the pot. Thank you, pet, for the cod. It's very okay. Go to next page, page number 14. Mother has a rod for a pet. So this is the rod for playing instruments. Okay. Thank you, mother, for the fort. This is called fort. Pet, show the rod to Anne. Mother has not a rod for Anne. Mother has a pet for Anne. So mother is giving a pet for Anne. Thank you, mother, for the pet. And we'll show the pet to pet. We'll show the pet to pet. Okay, let's read again for the last time. The name of the poem is Bring C, come, mother, come. Pet has a cod and ran for mother. See, mother, pet has a cod. Bring the pot and for the cod. Thank you, Anne, for the pot. Bring the cod, pet, to the pot. Thank you, pet, for the cod. Mother has a rod for pet. Thank you, mother, for the fort. This is called fort. Pet show the rod to Anne. Mother has not a rod for Anne. Mother has a pet for Anne. Thank you, mother, for the pet. And we'll show the pet to pet. Okay, my dear students, that's our today's lesson. So keep practicing at home. Our parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again till then. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.